Hey guys, for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Bath & Body Works Luxury 2 collection. So I'm going to start off with the Aqua Hour. This has notes of watery bergamot, fresh peony, and salty cedarwood. Overall, this smells really fresh. It's a really pretty scent. I think it smells a little bit aquatic as well. And it just smells really clean. So if you wear this scent, you just smell really clean, really fresh, almost like you just took a shower. And I think this is kind of on the unisex side, but it's not too masculine. And at the same time, it's not really feminine either, so it's just perfect for everyone, I think. And yeah, I just think this smells really nice. You just smell clean, fresh, and slightly aquatic. Now, I heard that this is supposed to be inspired by one of the Acqua di Gioia scents, either the Ocean or the other one. I can't compare either of those to this, but just know this is really good. It does smell luxurious, almost like, to me, this kind of reminds me of the smell of like a luxurious gym, if that makes sense, like Lifetime or something. That's the vibes that this gives, but I think it smells really good and I like it. So that's a nice one. Okay, the next scent I want to share with you guys, this is Madame Mystique. Okay, so this has notes of red or bright red berries, rose petals, and sultry woods. Overall, this scent, to me, it's not bad. I will say it's not my favorite from the line. This is probably my least favorite from the Part 2 collection that they came out with. I just find it to be not blended super well. Now this is supposed to be inspired by Mon Paris by YSL. Yeah, I have Mon Paris. I've used it quite a bit. There is a similar vibe, okay? It's similar, okay? They have a similar undertone. And actually when I'm smelling this one more today, it does smell closer today than it did before. So that's a good sign. But I do like this one so much better. I'm just gonna be honest. I think it doesn't state that there's patchouli, but I'm getting patchouli in this. It comes across a little sharp, and it's not as blended well as it is in this. The patchouli is strong too, and the patchouli is very similar to Into the Night. So this one actually reminds me very much of Into the Night, except it has a lot more berries in it and a lot more sweet fruitiness that Into the Night doesn't have. This one, however, it's just not super blended well for me. It just comes across sharper, and I don't know, it's like the fruit sticks out a little funky to me, and I don't know, I'm just not like loving it. Will I like it sometime? Maybe. And I don't think it's bad by any means. I think it's a decent dupe, but I think this is a lot better. Yeah, I do think a lot of people would still like this one. So if you really love this scent, maybe try it out if you get a chance. But other than that, I would just get this one, honestly. And there's another Arabian perfume that I really love, and it is Miss Armaf Chic. And that one I just prefer over this. So I recommend that one over this one, but again, it's not terrible. Actually, this kind of is similar to Dark Kiss as well, where I get like an incensey patchouli kind of note, and like almost like a plumminess, but I still prefer Dark Kiss a lot more. So that's just my 2 cents on that. Okay, so the next one in the line is the Sing Rouge. Okay, this has notes of blackcurrant buds, sweet saffron, and amber moss. It does kind of resemble, so obviously this is supposed to be, unless you don't know, it's supposed to be similar to Baccarat Rouge 540. That's what the Inspired By perfume that they're trying to go for. I do get that. Like, honestly, now I'm smelling it today and it smells a little closer than it did before. But this scent is very light. And honestly, to me, it's almost like a mixture between the Baccarat Rouge DNA, if it was a lot lighter, and if it was mixed with the I Am Musk, what is it, scent, the Glossier You Dupe from the last collection. Oh, If You Musk, that's what it's called. It's kind of similar to like the two of those combined. I don't think it's bad, I think it's okay, but it's like you're like fighting to find, like, to smell the scent, in my opinion. So it's just not my favorite, but I don't think it's bad. I think I'd use this to layer more, but if you want like a really good version of that, I think In the Stars is the best from Bath & Body Works, and that personally is my favorite, just being real here. And I know it smells different, but that's what I like about it. It's not exactly the same, and it's more luxurious smelling to me. It's a little more unisex, more peppery, but I just think it's better than this one. And another one, if you want to get, I don't have Baccarat Rouge 540, but this one's really good too. This is the Ambre Saffron by Dossier. I prefer this one because it's a lot stronger, and I feel like it has more of that sweet kick to it than this one. This one's okay, but this one's just better. So that's just my 2 thoughts on that, or 2 cents on that. Okay, stay tuned for part 2.